Hello, my dears. Today we are going to have English chapter 5, that means unit 3, poem One Little Kitten. Are you ready to listen? Yes. Listen and repeat along with me.
One little kitten, two big cats, three baby butterflies, four big rats, five fat fishes, six sad seals, seven silly seagulls, eight happy eels, nine nervous lizards, 10 brave bees, 11 smelly elephants, 12 fat fleas, 13 alligators, 14 whales, 15 donkeys with 15 tails.
Children, let us know the summary of this poem. The poem teaches the various animals' names and the numbers in a poetic manner. Thank you, children, for watching.